Good afternoon, this is Tyler Hill at MarineMax in Pompano Beach, Florida. Today you're looking at a 2017 Contender 32 ST. Was just traded in on a larger Boston whaler here in Pompano. Absolutely gorgeous, flawless boat, 120 hours, basically new. Very hard model to get. Look at the bow thruster in there even. There is literally not a scratch on the boat. Everything's custom as well. Look at that beautiful custom hardtop with Outriggers, VHF radio. Coming along the transom here. Big K-plane trim tabs. He's got the white 350 Verados on this boat. It moves. 62 to 65 miles an hour. Beautiful stainless steel props, underwater lights. Customer just went overboard on it. It's awesome. He actually put custom SeaDek material on the entire cockpit, including the swim platform. It's so nice on your feet and gives the boat a real nice touch. Everything's custom again on this. Custom back seat he put in that is removable when you're fishing. Coolers everywhere, JL audio everywhere. Huge subwoofers, amps. Tons of fish box storage. Look at the gorgeous helm. Big 15-inch Garmin GPS with sonar. DTS controls from Mercury. Bow thruster controls, VHF radio. Mercury SmartCraft vessel view. Even did a custom isinglass enclosure for this hardtop. I literally cannot find a scratch on the boat. That's how nice it is. Optional forward seating here that folds up when you're fishing. Again, more JL audio speakers. Concealed windlass up here. Pop-up cleats everywhere. Give you a nice aft view of the boat. Fish it hard and then hang out at the sandbar with the family. It doesn't get any better than that. Coming along the port side here, we do have an enclosed head with a real toilet, real sink, and a nice setup. You can actually stand up there in this head. Keyless ignitions, battery switches in the right place. Another little aft view of the helm seat. Again, more speakers, subwoofers everywhere. Again, this is Tyler Hill at MarineMax, Pompano Beach, Florida. Give you a little view of our beautiful marina here, full service. Give us a call if you're interested, 954-783-9555. This Contender will not hang around long. Thank you very much and have a great day.